The next cast on I'm going to talk about is the cable cast on. It also uses a slip knot. You don't have to have it too far away from the end of the yarn. But what it does involve is both needles. I'm going to put the slip knot on my left needle, and I'm going to knit this one stitch that I have here. And when I knit the stitch, instead of leaving it over here on the right hand, I'm going to slip it back to the left hand needle. Then I'm going to insert my needle, not in the stitch, but in between the stitches. See? Right there. And I will knit between. And as I pull this loop over, I'm going to slip it onto the left needle. Go in between these stitches, knit that, put it over here, and you can do that for as many stitches as you need. Sometimes you're asked to add on stitches in the middle of a row, and this is a nice way to do it. The cabled part refers to how the edge of the cast on looks. Kind of has a cabled, braided look across the edge. It's a little different cast on, but it's very, very functional. It's not as stretchy as some, but that is a cable cast on.